The people on docket, one of them is Mr. Carlos Giovanni Ramos, who did postpone.
What?
Yes,
Where is he here?
yes.
Come here. That way. That way. We don't want you near our DAs. When did he bond out?
When did you go
April 2nd.
You are on deferred with us for an attempted auto theft. You had an open possession of a controlled substance and you pick up four $30,000 to $150,000 theft cases. You are ordered to be under home confinement.
Judge Fleischer isn't holding back. Not for a second. When he says, "I want my public safe," that's not just a warning. It's a battle cry. He's firing back at a justice system that's been far too soft on repeat offenders for way too long. Now the question is, should house arrest really count as justice? Or are we sitting on a live grenade waiting to explode?
I don't want you out at all. I want my public safe, and I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. If I find that you pick up another case, if I find that you break any of these conditions, I will light you up. Do you understand?
Sir.
I'm sending him now for a drug test. I want to know what, if anything, is in his system. And then I want him back. Okay? GPS monitor, home confinement. Do you know what the felony court did?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe on the last setting, you mimicked the same conditions as those. That includes the GPS monitor. That's what I said.
Pero a mí me pusieron que puedo ir a la escuela.
With the exception of going to school, Your Honor.
No, I don't care. I don't trust you to be able to go to school with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cases, 5 felonies that are open. The only thing I want in this life is my county to be safe. And you out there in the free world truly scares me because I don't know what you're doing. And I don't know if you truly want to do schooling, it can be done online. I don't want you out. Do you understand me? I'm sending you now for a drug test, and I hope that you're not using. On your other ankle, I will put a scram monitor so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. I will bring you here periodically for drug testing, and if I find that you're using.
Now this is where things explode. Judge Fleischer drops the hammer. "I'll make your bond so high, your hair will fall out." That's Fleischer in full beast mode. No sugarcoating, no hesitation, just raw authority. Legally, he's got every right to tighten the leash based on behavior. But let's be real, is this public protection at its finest, or has justice gone nuclear? Fire sound off in the comments. Where do you stand?
Bond right now is set at $10,004. If I find that you're using, if I find that you go out, and I'm telling you now, I don't give a rat's behind what it's for. If I find that you're out, I'm going to make your bond so high you'll have hair falling out. Do you understand? I want to send him for a drug test now, and then he's to come back, and then we'll go from there.
Just so you're aware of the felonies, they do have them on a curfew. With the curfew, he must be inside the house by 1:35 p.m. and he is not allowed out until 7:25 a.m. So he had a small window during the day where he's permitted to be out.
But what?
That's what.
Where? To where?
It's just for school.
Where is the school?
Revolution Academy.
I don't know if I trust him enough to be able to do this. You know,
Your Honor, I will say,
they're open, and then he has an auto theft with us.
I understand. I just feel as though in conflict with what they have in the system.
Yeah, I know it's going to come. I know. I just don't care. You know, the only thing I care about is my county being safe. And with 6, and at that young age, you know, it just.
regarding the new felonies, Your Honor, I do want to remind the court that there is a presumption of innocence, and that's what he's currently doing, working on that. And it seems like his mom is the one taking him to school, so he does have someone, a support system to make sure that he's.
I don't know that. I mean, if you bring
And I've
mom
spoken to his
here,
mom.
I mean, you get mom here to show me that she's going to do that. then perhaps. But at this point, Mr. Ramos, you scare me, truly. And the only thing I want is you not to pick up a seventh case or someone to end up dead or another car to be gone. Do you understand? But at this point, and I don't know how someone posted up $100,000 bond on you, but if I remember, the bonds were all set at like what, 50,000, all of them, and then the felonies all got reduced or something like that.
I think they're 20.
Wait, did you catch that? The judge didn't even wait to see the mother before ordering a translator. That's not hesitation, that's precision and power. He's not here to posture or play politics. He's taking control of the situation before it spirals. This isn't just about charges anymore. It's about trust shattered, accountability demanded, and public safety on the line. The message is loud and clear. No excuses, no shortcuts, only consequences.
I don't know what the felonies were at. It looks like they're about $20,000 now.
Yeah. All I want is my county to be safe. That's all I care about. If your mom comes here and tells me that she's going to take you,
She come right now.
Is she here?
Yeah,
she's here right now,
she's downstairs.
go get her. Go, let me talk to her.
Okay, sounds good.
Do you need a translator?
She speaks Spanish only?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you call a translator, please? Thank
This still says, we can let him white eyes.
you. For him? Hell yeah.
So,
Hell yeah.
if he goes to the today,
Problem is, if we can't, with the felonies open. But it's money. It's money.
I have.
So did you hear what the recommendation is?
No, I didn't.
Why Mac?
What was it?
Why Mac?
I'll change.
I think it's money. That's what, with the other gentleman that was just here, he was in WIMAC and he's doing great, But the problem is that we can't while this case is upstairs, so we're kind of in holding pattern. But when does this expire?
It's the agenda, so I think that's on to another year. You want a date, give you a date.
I just don't want it to accidentally expire because these cases are probably going to go on for the next year.
So to expire November of this year.
Okay. I guess we'll address it getting closer to. But that's for me, that's the goal. That'd be great.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So let's wait for mom and then we can